I'm Richela Morgan, and we're going to make a dancer pop-up card. Fold paper in half vertically. Along the folded edge, measure and mark 1/2 inch from the top corner. Then measure and mark 3 inches from the bottom corner. Draw a diagonal line connecting the 3-inch mark to the top right corner. Draw an arc starting from the 1/2 inch mark and ending at the point where it intersects the diagonal line. Using scissors, cut along the arc line. Align the ruler edge with the diagonal line and then pull the flap over to create a fold. Then flip over and fold in the other direction. Unfold the entire paper and push the flap out. This is your pop-up element. It's also going to be the skirt of your dancer. Unfold the paper and extend the hem of your dancer's dress about 1 inch on the left and the right sides. Then draw lines connecting the top corner to the left and right edges. Draw the body, arms, and head of your dancer. Using colored pencils, markers, or crayons, color in your dancer. When you are done, cut out your dancer. Take a second sheet of paper and fold it in half vertically. Unfold your paper and place it on your work table. Place your dancer in the center of your card. Be sure to align the vertical fold of your base card and the vertical line of your dancer. The dancer's skirt should have 2 extra flaps to the left and the right. Add glue to the flaps only and press down. When the glue is mostly dry, gently fold the card. The arms and the body and the head should pop out when you reopen the card. If this bothers you, you could add some glue to the back of the body and the head so it moves less. But keep the arms free. Draw and color in the background of the card. You might want to add some extra elements. To make pop-up spirals, cut out a circle approximately 1.5 inches in diameter. Using a pencil, draw a spiral on top of the circle. Then cut out the spiral. You can also draw or color the spiral. Add glue to the center of the spiral and then place it on your card. When the glue is a bit dry, you can pull the spiral away from the card to make it pop out a bit more. You can repeat this step as many times as you'd like to add as many spirals as you'd like. And there you have it, a pop-up card with a dancer.